what's going on, guys? We're gonna be reacting to a rap by Rustage. It's a Chainsaw Man rap. It's called "Lost in the Night." So let's go ahead and dive right into it.
We cannot be judged for what we dream for. Venom seeping in throughout the lies and all the sweet talk. Living in a whirlwind, I can't handle all the G-force. Lost amongst the ways and it's been
That's the thing about Rustage, man. Like he always goes in hard.
ages since I've seen shore. There's no turning back once a decision has been made. Every prize will have a price that's just equivalent exchange. I've been grateful for the chance to live on minimum a day, and I've been working like a pig, like this is spirited away. I've been digging my own grave, now the devil is a part of me, ripping throughout my arteries. Every piece like a therapy. A manner how the ghost of our body can make it hard to breathe. The engine noise and orchestra of atonal harmonies. I rip the chord, I finna fit the board. This life is simple, while we swinging songs that don't be given thought until I hit the floor. Till I hit the floor, standing at the brink of war. Never stop to question what the fuck we're even living for.
Even in death, we cannot lose ourselves with every breath. I'll see you all in hell, never forget. All of this pain I felt, and all that is left is not but the hand we're dealt. And I'm lost in the night, looking deep in the eyes, see the man that I used to be. But I'm not satisfied, I don't care about this life, but I find that I dare to dream. And I'm losing my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I know that it's not for me.
Overclocking, I could feel it in my body. He when pain can lead to pleasure, I've been worrying a dichotomy. They come for me like visions, keeping asking what I wanna be. I'm breaking out my prison cause I literally got that dog in me. Split him in divisions, they sorted like this a survey. Stick him on a mission, cause shorter than using curse face. This is what I'm giving, the order's another word day. I've been living wishing to score him and get to first base. Don't know how to cry when bodies dropping, I've been feeling empty. Lost the will to die, the gates of hell are always free for entry. Never wondered why I see their faces and I'm green with envy. Nothing on my mind, I'm ripping through them like a feeding frenzy. Now I'm on the main course, cutting up in half like I'll be tearing through an A4. Marking more and leaving stained floors when I wage war. This is what you came for, tearing through the bodies like a motherfucking chainsaw.
And I'm lost in the night, looking deep in the eyes, see the man that I used to be. But I'm not satisfied, I don't care about this life, but I find that I dare to dream. And I'm losing my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I know that it's not for me.
Rev it up, bring my way for the flesh and blood. Rev it up, spin the chain, I can get enough. Rev it up, have been playing with the devil's love. Rev it up, let our dreams all envelop us. Rev it up, put the chord and you're getting cut. Rev it up, I'm not dying till I get a touch. Rev it up, you ain't never gonna measure up. Rev it up, hit the sound when I rev it up.
Even in death, we cannot lose ourselves with every breath.
With every breath,
I'll see you all in hell, never forget.
never forget.
All of this pain I felt, and all that is left,
All that is left
is not but the hand we're dealt. And I'm lost in the night, looking deep in the eyes, see the man that I used to be. But I'm not satisfied, I don't care about this life, but I find that I dare to dream. And I'm losing my mind as I look at the time, cause I'm scared that it's out of reach. And I'm lost in the night, see a dream go to die, cause I
rev it up, rev it up. Bring my way for the flesh and blood. Rev it up, spin the chain, I can't get enough. Rev it up, I've been playing with the devil's love. Rev it up, let our dreams all envelop us. Rev it up, pull the cord and you're getting cut. Rev it up, I'm not dying till I get a touch. Rev it up, you ain't never gonna measure up. Rev it up, hit the sound when I rev it up.
Alright, that was solid, guys. That was solid. Rustage always kills it, man. There was bars in there for days. I like the rev it up part, because he was throwing in some stuff with the rev it up, like rev it up. What was that? Pull my cord. And let's go back to that real quick. One sec.
Hit the sound when I rev it up.
Oh.
Rev it up, rev it up. Let our dreams all envelop us. Rev it up, pull the cord and you're getting cut.
Yeah, rev it up, pull the cord, you're getting cut. Like, I really like that. That sounded good. But yeah, Rustage always kills it. So, all right, guys, that was a 10 out of 10 for me. Good job, Rustage. All right, later, guys. Peace.